Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Khara Masala Biryani. For this here I have taken 1.5 cups of rice and I have soaked the rice for few hours. 250 grams of chicken, salt to taste, 3 to 4 green chilies sliced, 1 large onion sliced, a handful of coriander leaves, 2 tomatoes, 3/4 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 star anise, 6 button red chilies, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves and half teaspoon of black peppercorns. 1 large onion fried, 2 tablespoons of mint leaves. I am using dried mint, but if you have fresh you can use that also. And here I have taken 1 tablespoon of screw pine or kevda water, and in that I have mixed 1/8 teaspoon of yellow color. Now here in the pan I have added half cup of oil. In the oil I will add onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will fry the onion till it turns translucent. And here in this pan I will add these spices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will dry roast these spices. Now here I have dry roasted the spices and I have left them to cool. They are cooled now. And here onion is translucent and I have taken this out. Now in the same oil I will add chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will fry till chicken changes its color. Now meanwhile this chicken is frying, I will grind the masala. Here I have coarsely crushed the spices. Do not make them powder. And here this chicken has changed the color. And now I will add in yogurt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ground masala. Salt. Ginger and garlic. And along with these ingredients I will add in a cup of water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook this till chicken is tender and water evaporates. Now I have cooked the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes. This is tender and water has evaporated. And now I will add in tomatoes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Coriander, mint, chilies and these sorted onions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook this on high flame for 5 minutes. Bismillah. Now meanwhile this is cooking. Here in this other pan I have added the rice and they are boiling. I will simply boil the rice with salt only. No other spices. Now here I have boiled the rice and in this pan I have added half of the rice and the chicken mixture. Now I will cover this with the remaining rice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, I have added the remaining rice and now I will add in this fried onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And after adding this fried onion, now I will drizzle this color and kevda water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cover this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook this covered on very low flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes I am removing the lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just fluff up the rice. Very simple, easy and different. Khara masala biryani is ready to be served. You can serve this with yogurt dip and salad. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.